Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will explain mastering TV connectivity, fix Wi-Fi drops and phone mirroring problems forever, and watch the full video to fix the problem of Wi-Fi drops and phone mirroring forever. Did you know that the average home Wi-Fi network is actually broadcasting on a channel that's already being used by up to 10 other devices, which is a huge reason why your connection keeps dropping? 1. Introduction. Modern smart TVs have become the centerpiece of home entertainment. Whether you are streaming movies, watching YouTube, attending online meetings, gaming, or mirroring content from your smartphone, a stable connection is essential. Unfortunately, many users regularly face frustrating issues such as Wi-Fi disconnections, buffering videos, slow internet speeds, and phone screen mirroring failures. These problems can turn an enjoyable viewing experience into a frustrating one. The good news is that most TV connectivity issues can be solved without expensive repairs or technical expertise. By understanding how smart TV networking works and applying the right troubleshooting methods, you can enjoy uninterrupted streaming and reliable screen mirroring. This guide explains everything you need to know about fixing Wi-Fi drops and phone mirroring problems permanently. 2. Understanding why smart TVs lose Wi-Fi connection. Before solving connectivity issues, it helps to understand why they occur. Smart TVs rely on wireless communication between the television and your router. Any disruption in this communication can cause the TV to disconnect from the internet. Common causes include weak Wi-Fi signal strength, router overload, outdated TV firmware, network interference, incorrect DNS settings, software bugs, power-saving features, ISP-related internet fluctuations. Many users assume their TV is faulty when the real problem is often the network environment. 3. Signs your TV has Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Several symptoms indicate network-related issues. Frequent disconnection from Wi-Fi. Streaming apps buffering continuously. Netflix loading slowly. YouTube videos reducing quality automatically. Apps displaying network errors. TV reconnecting repeatedly. Smart features becoming unavailable. If you notice any of these symptoms regularly, a connectivity optimization process is necessary. Step 1. Check your internet speed. The first step is verifying your internet connection. For smooth streaming. HD streaming, minimum 5 megabits per second. Full HD streaming, minimum 10 megabits per second. 4K streaming, minimum 25 megabits per second. Multiple devices, 50 megabits per second or higher recommended. Run a speed test on a smartphone connected to the same network. Even if the TV itself is functioning perfectly, inadequate internet speed can create the illusion of a TV problem. Step 2. Restart everything properly. One of the most effective fixes is also the simplest. Restart. 1. Smart TV. 2. Wi-Fi router. 3. Modem. 4. Smartphone for mirroring issues. Follow this sequence. Turn off TV. Unplug router for 60 seconds. Restart modem. Power router back on. Wait for full connection. Turn on TV. This process clears temporary network glitches and refreshes connections. Step 3. Move your router to a better location. Router placement dramatically impacts signal quality. Avoid placing the router behind walls, inside cabinets, near microwaves, near refrigerators, behind metal objects. Best placement: elevated position, open area, central location, same room as TV when possible. A stronger signal often eliminates random Wi-Fi disconnections. Step 4. Switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Most modern routers provide 2 wireless bands. 2.4 GHz advantages: better range, better wall penetration, stable for distant rooms. 5 GHz advantages: faster speeds, lower latency, better for 4K streaming. If your TV is far from the router, 2.4 GHz may perform better. If your TV is close to the router, 5 GHz usually provides superior performance. Experiment with both bands to determine which works best. Step 5. Update your smart TV firmware. Manufacturers regularly release software updates that improve Wi-Fi stability. Network compatibility. Streaming performance. Screen mirroring reliability. Navigate to. Settings support software update. Install the latest firmware available. Many connectivity bugs disappear after firmware updates. Step 6. Reset network settings. Corrupted network settings can cause recurring disconnections. Reset network settings. Settings network reset network. After resetting, reconnect Wi-Fi. Re-enter password. Test streaming performance. This creates a fresh network profile and often resolves stubborn issues. Step 7. Change DNS settings. DNS servers translate website addresses into accessible destinations. Slow or unstable DNS servers can create connectivity issues. Popular DNS options include Google DNS 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4, Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. Manually configuring DNS often improves app loading times and network stability. Step 8. Reduce Wi-Fi interference. Many household devices compete for wireless frequencies. Common interference sources: Bluetooth speakers, wireless cameras, microwave ovens, baby monitors, cordless phones. Reducing nearby interference can significantly improve TV network performance. Step 9. Use Ethernet whenever possible. Wireless connections are convenient but not always reliable. Advantages of Ethernet: stable connection, lower latency, faster speeds, no wireless interference, better streaming reliability. For users experiencing constant Wi-Fi drops, Ethernet is often the ultimate solution. 4. Understanding phone mirroring problems. Phone mirroring allows users to display smartphone content directly on a TV. Common technologies include Chromecast, Mirrorcast, AirPlay, Google Cast, Smart View, Screen Share. When mirroring fails, the issue usually involves compatibility, network configuration, or software settings. 5. Why phone mirroring stops working. Several factors can prevent successful mirroring. Different Wi-Fi networks, disabled permissions, outdated software, router isolation settings, VPN conflicts, device incompatibility. Identifying the exact cause is the key to permanent resolution. Fix 1. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is the most overlooked issue. Your TV and phone must connect to the same router, the same Wi-Fi band when required. For example, correct: TV on home, Wi-Fi. Phone on home, Wi-Fi. Incorrect: TV on home, Wi-Fi. Phone on mobile data. Always verify network consistency before troubleshooting further. Fix 2. Enable screen mirroring on the TV. Many TVs require screen mirroring to be enabled manually. Look for settings such as Screen Share, Smart View, Mirrorcast, Wireless Display, Cast Receiver. Ensure the feature is activated before attempting connection. Fix 3. Update both TV and smartphone. Outdated software is a leading cause of mirroring failures. Update Android device, iPhone, Smart TV firmware, casting applications. Software updates often improve compatibility between devices. Fix 4. Disable VPN services. VPNs can interfere with local network discovery. If a VPN is active, disable VPN temporarily. Restart casting process. Reconnect to TV. Many casting failures disappear instantly after disabling VPN software. Fix 5. Clear cache data. Streaming and casting apps can develop corrupted cache files. On Android, Settings apps clear cache. For TVs, Settings apps clear cache. This often restores proper casting functionality. Fix 6. Restart screen mirroring services. Sometimes the wireless display service freezes. Try turning screen mirroring off, waiting 30 seconds, turning screen mirroring on. Then reconnect from the smartphone. This simple process frequently resolves detection issues. Fix 7. Check battery saving modes. Battery optimization settings may restrict network discovery. Disable battery saver, power saving mode, extreme battery mode. These settings can interfere with screen mirroring communications. 6. Solving Chromecast connectivity problems. Chromecast users may experience device not found, connection timeout, casting interruptions. Solutions include reboot Chromecast, update Google Home app, verify Wi-Fi connection, restart router, factory reset Chromecast. Most Chromecast issues are network-related rather than hardware failures. 7. Solving AirPlay issues on Apple devices. AirPlay users can improve reliability by updating iOS, updating TV firmware, disabling VPN, ensuring same Wi-Fi network, restarting Apple devices. AirPlay generally performs best on strong and stable Wi-Fi connections. 8. Router settings that improve TV connectivity. Advanced users can optimize router settings for better TV performance. Recommended adjustments. Enable COS quality of service. Update router firmware. Use WPA2 or WPA3 security. Select less crowded Wi-Fi channels. Disable legacy wireless modes. These optimizations help prioritize streaming traffic. 9. When to upgrade your router. Older routers struggle with modern streaming demands. Signs you need an upgrade. Router older than 5 years. Frequent disconnects. Poor coverage. Slow speeds despite fast internet plans. Modern Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E routers provide better range, higher speeds, improved stability, enhanced device management. A router upgrade often delivers the largest improvement in connectivity. 10. Factory reset as a last resort. If all troubleshooting methods fail, perform a factory reset. Before resetting, record account information. Note Wi-Fi passwords. Backup preferences. A factory reset removes corrupted configurations and restores original settings. Many persistent network issues disappear afterward. 11. Preventing future connectivity problems. Good maintenance habits can prevent recurring issues. Best practices include keep software updated, reboot router monthly, avoid overcrowded Wi-Fi channels, maintain strong signal strength, use Ethernet when practical, update streaming apps regularly. Prevention is easier than troubleshooting. 12. Best connectivity setup for modern smart TVs. For the most reliable experience. 1. Wi-Fi 6 router. 2. Updated TV firmware. 3. Updated smartphone software. 4. Strong signal strength. 5. Ethernet for primary streaming. 6. Proper DNS configuration. 7. Minimal wireless interference. This setup minimizes connectivity problems and maximizes performance. 13. Conclusion. Smart TVs are more powerful than ever, but they depend heavily on stable network connections. Wi-Fi drops, buffering, casting failures, and mirroring issues can usually be traced to signal quality, software problems, network configuration errors, or outdated hardware. By optimizing router placement, updating firmware, choosing the correct Wi-Fi band, reducing interference, and ensuring proper device configuration, most connectivity problems can be eliminated permanently. Likewise, phone mirroring becomes far more reliable when devices share the same network, software remains updated, and unnecessary restrictions such as VPNs or power-saving modes are disabled. Mastering these techniques allows you to enjoy seamless streaming, instant screencasting, uninterrupted entertainment, and a smarter home viewing experience. With the right setup and maintenance, Wi-Fi drops and phone mirroring problems can become a thing of the past. If you're tired of dealing with dropped connections and failed screen mirroring attempts, I encourage you to try out these solutions and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech troubleshooting videos, where we'll continue to provide you with practical tips and solutions to common tech problems.